In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Yahoo email from Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop Gmail from pulling in messages from your Yahoo account while keeping your existing emails safe in your inbox. Start by opening gmail.com in your browser and sign in. Choose your existing Google account if it appears, or enter your email address and continue through the prompts. If you're asked for verification, just follow the on-screen steps until you land in your inbox. Once you're in Gmail, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. From there, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Choose the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail manages linked accounts, imported mail, and send as addresses. On this page, look for the section that lists your connected accounts. If your Yahoo account was linked using Gmailify or mail fetching, you'll see it referenced here. Next to the Yahoo entry, you should see an option to unlink. Go ahead and click Unlink to start the process. A confirmation window will appear. This is an important moment to review what happens next. Unlinking stops Gmail from syncing new messages from Yahoo and disables any automatic fetching associated with that account. Your existing Yahoo emails that were already brought into Gmail will remain in your inbox unless you choose otherwise. You may also see an option highlighted that lets you keep the imported messages and labels. Keeping them is usually the safest choice because it preserves your message history and the organization you've already set up. When you're comfortable with the selection, confirm by clicking Unlink. After you confirm, give Gmail a moment to update. You can verify that the connection is removed by staying on the Accounts and Import tab and checking that the Yahoo account no longer appears in the Connected Accounts section. From this point forward, new Yahoo messages won't flow into Gmail automatically, but anything already imported stays put. If you ever want to reconnect, you can return to this same tab and add the account again. A quick tip, if you don't see the Unlink option, make sure you're in the correct Google account and that you're on the Accounts and Import tab, not General or Labels. Refreshing the page can also help show the most recent status. That's it. You've successfully unlinked your Yahoo email from Gmail and kept your inbox tidy and under your control. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider checking out our other tutorials for more simple, clear walkthroughs.